Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aswadi Zulkarnean bin Akbar with my partner Ahmad Fakhruddin Faris bin Zulkifli from FYP1 Session 10 with the guidance from our Supervisor, Dr. Muhammad SADRY by Abu SEMAN. So our system name is IIM Quarantine. So basically IIM Quarantine is an online platform that assists the student of IIM who undergo quarantine period on campus. The student can inquire about basic necessities such as toiletries, dry food, and medicine. They can also be updated regarding any news case that occur in campus. This app will display the duration or countdown of how long the student have to be in quarantine. This app will then send all the required information related to the student to IIM Health Center to help them monitor the student in and out of quarantine. So the problem statement for this system is the students who are stuck in the quarantine block are unable to go anywhere, and for some period of time, they will run out of their basic necessity, but they cannot go out. So, and then IIUM Health Center is facing difficulty in handling the affected student. So it is hard for them to keep track of who quarantine, who will be quarantined, and who are out of quarantine. So the main objective for this system is to assist students who are in quarantine period that require basic activities such as toiletries, dry food, and medicine. Also to help IIM Health Center to keep track of the students who are in quarantine, who will be in quarantine, and who are out of quarantine. So the target audience in the meantime is IIM student, Mahala office, and IIM Health Center. So for our methodology, we use waterfall model because a phase has to start when the previous phase ended, so that we can predict our timeline for our system to finish the development. So for our development tool, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the website, and React Native for the mobile apps. As you can see here, this is our use case diagram. We have 4 use cases, which is sign in and log in for the student, and update news, update counter, basic necessity. So the student can manage the sign in by login with their metric number and password, and then they can view the news. They also can view the counter, and they can request for necessity. So as for the admin, which is the Mahala office, they will collect the information in the sign-in of students who are in quarantine. They also have to manage the update news and also the update counter every time a student log in into the system. And they also, when after student request the necessity, they can preview the necessity and to purchase the stuff. So as you can see here, this is our prototype. So we are using simplicity for the team because it's easier for students to interact with our system. This is our home page, you can see here, and also this is our request page for students to request the basic necessity. This two is for the website, and this one is for the mobile app. This part is the web home page, and this is the request page. So that's all for the poster. Thank you. So this is the website for IIM Quarantine. When students first open the website, this is the first page where they need to enter their matric number and password, and then press submit, where it will lead them to the home page, which is where their name, matric number, mahala, and their assigned mahala for quarantine will be available. Then you can see here, this is the counter for how many days they have already been in quarantine. Since the function is not been developed yet, this is just a prototype. So next is the news page, where students can view news related to COVID-19 in IUM. Okay. Then next page is the request page, where students can request for basic necessity such as toiletries and dry food. And the list here where what the mahala provided for them, they can apply. So they pick anything they want, and if the necessity that they need is not in here, they can put it, they can write here and press submit. So the last page is the contact number, where we will be list down all the contact number that student can contact, such as the IEI Health Center, Mahala Office for all Mahala, and the Counseling and Career Service. Okay, that's all for website. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fakhruddin Faris bin Zulkifli. So I will be presenting our project, which is IAM Quarantine app. So this is the login page. Next is the sign up page. So when user click the create account, all of the information will be sent to the Firebase and user account is created. Okay, press back and you will be direct to the login page back. Next, I will show you the home page, which will show the countdown of days if you get quarantine and any sort of announcement. Let's say that there will be a lockdown in this mala, certain mala. So it will all appear in this announcement. And then this is the COVID case IUM, which will track all of the case that occur in IUM and the current red zone. As an example like this. And lastly, this is our form where user can ask for basic necessities that they need when they are quarantined. So when you press submit, all of the information will be sent to the Firebase and will be handled by the admin. Then that's all from our group. Thank you.